baby cakes. Oh yeah. What's going on here? Back to figuring stuff out here, how things go together and why things don't look right. I don't know. Trying to get these marker light dealios here. Got some new marker lights here. This is a new one, like a leftover old stock. So I'm just trying to get these figured out, and then the problem is this stupid light here goes in here. But look, not enough studs sticking out to put the damn nut on. Like, so I'm trying to get that figured out because that's original, it's not broken, and the other one's the same. There's supposed to be one over here too. See the back one there? Nice and long. So, I don't know. Gotta get this stuff figured out here. So that's what I'm working on. I want to get this bumper kind of buttoned up. Get these lights in here, and then I got to get the rest of the grill up on the inside here. And then I think I'm just going to temporarily mount this to the car so it's kind of out of my way for now. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm losing more hair. All right, I'll be back in a bit. Show you guys what it all looks like when I get this all figured out here. All right, bye. Oh yeah, guys, got the bumper all together. Finally. That was a lot of stuff on this thing, boy, and it's heavy. This is a heavy son of a gun. Look at that, eh? New lights, look like $1 million. Look at that. That's bumper's dusty now, but she's looking good. She's looking good. That's all the stuff I had to black out in between here, all the way across here, and these ones. Yeah, so you can actually see all this stuff that I did before there, if you guys remember, in here. Actually looks pretty good the way it is. So yeah, and then I got that pan is on there. That's all part of it. Got all the bolts holding all this stuff down. Then I had to take them all out again to put the pan in. Didn't realize it all mounted on the same studs. It's been a while since I took it off, eh? You know, a ton of hardware. But it looks good. It's all together now. All together. I just got a couple of carriage bolts here. And then I got to get a couple carriage bolts on each end there. Those aren't the right ones. And other than that, that's really about it. It's ready to put on, but I'm just going to temporarily set it on, just like I said, get it out of my way, because I got to get this beast out of the way here now, that hood. I got to start working on that. Get that thing happening. So, because I can't really put this on. Woo! Can't really mount this permanently until I get the fenders on. So that'll be, well, I'm just waiting for these upholstery guys here. Hopefully they phone me here this week and get this stuff done. Then I can get the fenders and inner fenders on and all that kind of stuff. So there it is. What do you guys think, eh? What do you think? Back when they used to build real bumpers. There's like 6 different Hondas in here. So there you go. That'll be it for now. Now I got to start something else here. All right. Talk to you guys later.